Some exhaust that I had built at Alternate Atmosphere roughly about in 2006. It was originally designed for a 2006 Altima SER. It will fit V6 Altimas, Maximas from 2004 to the present currently. Here is the flange where it hooks up to the Y pipe. Hope you get a good shot. There you go. And resonator. As you see, it is all one piece. It's all one piece exhaust. One piece exhaust. Originally, when I had it set up on the SER, it was a true dual exhaust. As you see right here where it changes in color, this is where I had it modified at to fit the Maxima. I also have bottle cap resonators here in the back to also help tone down on the sound. And if you ask me if it's quiet, hell no, it's not quiet. Has a nice rumble to it. Here are the mufflers. These are Vibrant exhaust mufflers. Titanium tipped, powder coated, 3 colors. I'll get a side shot of it for you. Right here on the side. See 3 colors there? Kind of blue, purplish, and a yellow sun looking type color. And if you see the name there, Vibrant. They also have silencers, which I'll put in and show you as well. There is one floor here where the exhaust got dented when it was being taken off the car. It is not broke, it's just a dent right there. There you go. Here's a little better close up. And there might be a little minor scrape right over here. Let me show you. And it's kind of hard to see it, but there you go. I think it's about right there. There you go. Other than that, it is in very good condition. I had it on the SER in 2000. I purchased my Maxima in 2007, January of 2007, and it's been sitting in my shed since January of 2007. Here's a shot from the back. There you go. I will put the silencers in there in a second. It will fit again. V6 Altimas and Maximas from 2004 to the present. Of course not the 09, I'm sure. There you go, buddy. I will take a pause, get a shot of the exhaust with the silencers in them. You go, silencers are in the exhaust now. I'm taking the video because my memory card is shot. Let me get a close-up on the silencer here for you. There you go. Thing looks really nice, man. Okay, here's the other one. Alright, let's try to get a shot together. There you have it. Okay, buddy, there it is.